Once we've typed in the exercises, now we get to do is we get to choose by clicking on, in this case, the 6. We'll pick the whole line across because, as you can see, we've already have a template for the weeks that we have, the test week, the workout after the test, the second workout in the test week, as well as the 6th week, which gives us time to get back to the athlete with the next phase. So now we highlight this, now we control copy, and there's two ways we can do this. We can either paste it in here, control V, which is paste, or a better way to do it is we copy it and we still hold down the control key and we just tap on the exercises and we hit control D, and that will move the formulas down. So now we have the heavy formula in both the bench press and the leg press. We go to the sit-up formula, copy that, paste that in. But now what we have is we have the formulas that go all the way across. We have a sheet with formulas, but we don't have any exercises in them. And that's why we've copied this down here. Now we can take this, Control C is copy, put it back up here, and paste it. So now what we have is we have the whole workout laid out. Now to clean the sheet up a little bit, we want to take and clear this. And we don't need these base formulas anymore. So we can take and highlight those, and if we just hit delete, it'll just move up the workouts. Remember we said we wanted these workouts twice a week. And we're building a template. We're not only building Carl's exercise program, but we may want to use other members on Carl's team for this. So we're actually building Carl's workout, but we're building the template for the entire team. So to make it easy, so now we say we take from the warm-up because that has the set number in it. So that's workout 1, highlight it, copy, paste it here, and now we can put workout 2 in there. The only thing we have is now we're going to put in the 1 rep maxes. But when we're working with a team, we need to keep into consideration the least amount of work we can do, the better we have it. So we don't, instead of typing in twice, so now we can do as an Excel, simple Excel thing, where you make this cell, as it's called, the same as the cell above. So the way we do that is we just type equals $, which is another one of the so we're going to do is equals, and then we go up here and we put $, and we want the $, has some significance when we start to cut and paste the rows, which again, take my word for it, or you can look up it in cell book. And now we want it to be the same as this cell here, so this cell is B6. So we go back up here, we put B6, check it off. So now what we have is this cell is the same as this cell. So but we want all of these cells the same. So now we just click on this, highlight them down, hit Control D. And what that does is it sends the formulas down, but also changing where it relates to. So in other words, even though we put B6 up here, by putting the $, in, we made this B8 down here, which is part of the Excel system. We also have to take in consideration this weight, and that cell is D8. So we go back up here, go here, and say this is equal to $, D8. Check that off. Check this, and we have the same. So now, when we type in the test, say we want a bench press of 150,